Hi guys, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to teach on how we're going to edit material. So here I have example of bed. So I want to edit my pillow material. So I click on this area to this bed, and when I scroll down there's the edit material button. So I click on edit material. So now you are in material editor. Okay, let's say we want to change the material of our um, pillow. So I'm using fabric. I make it as a linen. Then I drag and drop to my pillow. Okay, I drag and drop to my pillow. It might take a while to loading. Okay, now you can see the material has changed to the linen. Alright, so that is how you change the material of your model. So you click save, and then you press exit. Now you can see there's a new material for your pillow. Alright, use the edit material function button. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you.